Hi, students, and welcome to week 15 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This is our last week of course content because next week, week 16, are final exams. So this week's a little busy because I am fitting our last two chapters in. So we'll be covering 15 and 16. Both of those chapters are over late adulthood. So we'll look at the physical and cognitive development as well as in chapter 16, the socio emotional development in late adulthood. So same age range. Let's take a look at your module. There is your final discussion question. So on how our world influences longevity. So make sure you get that last discussion question done. You have a connect assignment over chapter 15, sex and later adulthood, and then your chapter 15 post-test. And then looking to the chapter 16, you have a couple video assignments, one on perception of aging and another one on widows enjoying life, and then your chapter 16 post-test. So again, two chapters this week, so busy, plus that discussion question, but this wraps up your content. I wanted you to only have the final exam to focus on for next week. So those are all due by Sunday, May 7th. Looking just a little bit ahead, I did put one more chapter in there because it's our dying chapter, but not a lot of assignments in here. So you just have next week the one connect assignment, one chapter 17, and then your final exam. Your final exam is just from chapters 9 through 17, okay? So your midterm took care of those first chapters, so final exam is just focusing on the last. And the final exam is due Wednesday, May 10th. On the final exam, you'll be very familiar. It's in Connect. It is very much like your weekly chapter quizzes. It's just several chapters put in there. I'll be opening that up so that you'll have the weekend before if you choose to work on it, or the early part of the week, as long as you have it in by Wednesday, May 10th. So I hope that you have enjoyed this class. I sure have enjoyed having you as students. I've appreciated reading all of from everything from your journals to your discussion questions, to the interviews you did, everything along the way. So thank you for all your hard work this semester. I wish you nothing but the very, very best. Finish up this last week, week 15, really strong, and then good luck on my final as well as any other finals you might have next week. Take care, everyone, and reach out with any questions.